This is the ultimate replenishment package for your body. And what it does is it brings all of the nutritional molecules up to a level that you've never yet experienced. Starting 18 years ago, when I was told about marine phytoplankton, I'd never even heard the term before, and no one I asked had ever heard of it. All I knew is that when I started consuming it, I started to feel like my battery inside my body was being charged up from the very first day I started taking it. And within 90 days, I had a fully charged battery. And that gave me so much joyful mental energy and just a joyful energy in my body, it felt like I was invincible. And at that time, I was still very, very sick with some very big health struggles. And in spite of all that, I felt great. So I wanted to get people to learn about this because of my own experience. Turned out, 5 years later, what you're looking at here is the perfect package to replenish all the elements and nutrients in your body that you require to function at your highest levels. Now, I was very depleted in my life, and I did not know anything about these things. I was extremely ill starting 21 years ago, and I had life-threatening disease. When I found out about this first one, which is Oceans Alive marine phytoplankton, we call this Recharge, I started consuming it on a daily basis. And the first thing I noticed is I was getting an energy in my body I had never felt before, but there was no stimulants. It's not like drinking coffee. This is like a slow, gradual increase of your sustainability, your endurance. And within 90 days, it felt like an internal battery in my body was supercharged. And I felt so good. I had more energy than I knew what to do with. And I also had much better brain power. So I was like, okay, the world has to find out about this. So I started telling some people about it, and they noticed the same thing. Well, we started producing it, and it's a very specific heirloom strain of marine phytoplankton. There are 2 strains of marine phytoplankton in this body. There are 2 strains of marine phytoplankton in this bottle, and they are known from a 40-year research study done in Spain, trying to figure out what are the most beneficial uses of different marine phytoplanktons in the world, because there's thousands of different strains. Turns out there are 2 that are the perfect match for the human nutritional profile. In 2013, many years later, there was a research done in the University of Greece that looked at this and found out that it has every nutritional molecule ever recorded in all historical data for a food source, plus 35 additional unrecognized molecules that no one had data on. And that's where I realized, okay, that's why this stuff works so good. And it's also genetically selected. That means that the heirloom strains, there's different qualities of the different strains that they were producing, these 2 strains, and they kept selecting the better ones and kept replanting, because it's a plant microorganism, kept replanting them until they got better and better and better, until they had the absolute maximum quality of marine phytoplankton strains in this little bottle. Now, when you put this in your system, it's like playing an entire orchestra of nutrients simultaneously in the right ratio, coming from a naturally created source with all of these molecules. So when you put it in there, your body can produce DNA, produce all the vitamins it needs, do all the repair it requires, and strengthen you continuously ongoing. So this is the ultimate micro and nanonutrient, because the one in here is called Nanochloropsis gotatana. The other one's called Tetrasemis. It's loaded with superoxide dismutase as well. So all you do is you put this in your drink or your smoothie. Some people like to put it straight in their mouth and let it go sublingual. It's very strong tasting, and so you gotta enjoy the ocean flavor if you're gonna do it that way. Most people just throw it in their smoothie or put it in water and drink it, and then it's quite palatable. But just to get it into your system on a daily basis is like the perfect insurance policy to make sure that the functional, foundational part of your health is being nutrified and supplied the very elements that it absolutely requires. So just adding that in on the replenishment side is the highest level. The second one is a transdermal magnesium. Now, there's 25 years of magnesium study that's been done showing that magnesium deficiency affects thousands of different biochemical reactions in your body, and it's just something that you will totally not know you need until you put it in. And once you put it in, it supplies all kinds of different energies, things like relaxing your muscles, getting your joints nice and smooth running, getting rid of all the anxiety and the depression that's caused from a lack of magnesium. Now, the industry exploded with all kinds of different potions and pills and powders of magnesium, but this one we found was the most effective because when you spray it on your body, it has a very specific molecular structure called magnesium chloride hexahydrate. It's a USP grade super purified form of a seawater extract of only the magnesium chloride hexahydrate. The hexahydrate side is 6 water molecules attached to every molecule of magnesium chloride, and we put it through a process here in this factory for 12 hours that optimizes the relationship between the magnesium chloride hexahydrate and the super purified medical grade water that it's made in, so that when you spray it in your skin, it's super comfortable, doesn't get all itchy and scratchy and nasty where you have to wash it off. It literally immediately starts to go into your system. And that means it's going in through the microcirculation, the lymphatic, and the tissue in your body. So it actually stores as a bank account in your tissue. So whatever your body needs that day, it has access, but it's like you're putting more magnesium into your bank account for reserve. Where if you take a pill or a powder, they're helpful, but that gets going through your digestive system, gets filtered out by your kidney. Your 2 kidneys are compromised if you're in a situation where you cannot have magnesium at all. If you have bad kidneys, this bypasses all that. And therefore you get the immediate geographical location of the magnesium into your body. If you have a sore shoulder or a stiff knee or a restless leg or whatever it is, you're going to get immediately results within 90 seconds because it goes right into your body immediately, right at the area where it needs to go. And it's in the tissue. Yes, it does get into your bloodstream eventually. It does get distributed everywhere, but you get to put it on your body where you want it immediately. And so this is one of those things that brings the replenishment of an essential element. This is called the master mineral because it not only allows your body to function with hundreds and hundreds of different biochemical reactions simultaneously, it also allows your thinking to be clear. It supports brain health. It makes you happy. It makes you calm. It works with your autonomic nervous system. It allows your body to be in sympathetic to get your job done during the day and then flip into parasympathetic so you can rest and restore. It works amazing for going before you go to bed at night. So I suggest people put it on before they go to bed and when they wake up in the morning to have a nice even keel energy, not only to restore their body when they're sleeping, but to get things done during the day. And it takes a little while to build up your reserve. You know, usually it's 2 to 3 months to get your body repleted back to the levels it needs to be with the magnesium chloride hexahydrate. So this is a very beautiful product. You can also mist it into your eyes to keep your eyes nice and clear. Works amazingly well in different skin problems. And this is an absolute must-have because without this, you're going to suffer needlessly in areas that you don't even realize are connected to being depleted in magnesium. The third one is the trace, which we now call Restore. And these are trace sea minerals. Trace sea minerals are coming from a single resource in the world that took us years to find that is an absolute certified pure form of all the sea minerals your body needs for electrolytes. Your body is literally a walking ocean. When you cry a tear, it tastes like 1/3 diluted ocean water, very salty. Same with sweat. And you need the electrolytes in your system to function at your highest level. Now this goes into your tummy and water, and then it distributes every 60 seconds all the way through your body to bring the lights on. The electrolyte means you're getting lit up, you're getting that youthful glow. It's going to help you with your brain power, but the most important thing is going to bring nutrition to your bone marrow. The bone marrow in your body is where you produce plasma. The food you're eating does not have these elements in it. They're missing. They've been missing for thousands of years because distilled water called rain, which is evaporated out of the fresh bodies of water and out of the ocean, doesn't carry any minerals with it. It's just pure H2O. It goes up and forms clouds and rains on the soil, which washes the minerals out of the soil. The minerals have been washed down into the water table, streams, tributaries, and rivers, and out in the ocean for thousands of years. So it's not like it was a recent problem. This has been an ongoing problem for a long time. So all we do, we go to the seawater in the purest form, get the extract from that seawater. So all the elements you need to produce plasma in your body are in this bottle. You simply add it to water and drink it every single day. And that will give you elements that are going to change your life. So the replenishment factor of this is essential. It also helps with gut health because these are chloride minerals. These are all the chloride minerals that you'll find in seawater. And your stomach acid is made of hydrochloric acid. This is the raw material that your body needs to have good, strong stomach acid. When people don't have strong enough stomach acid, they can get acid reflux and GERD because your body's trying to overcompensate for it, and it frosts up and goes up and causes all kinds of problems in your esophagus, heartburn, and all these different digestive issues. So this allows your body to now digest the food much more efficiently because now you have good, strong hydrochloric acid in your body. So this is another absolute must-have. So for replenishing your body, you've got your 3 perfectly compatible and congruent elements that you're going to be applying every single day. And when you do it, you're going to see your body go towards that claim that you have to have perfect health. And that's what you deserve. So perfect health is achieved by these things supporting you so you can attain to that claim that you've made, and you deserve every bit of it.